How to fix the Roblox error, Roblox does not support 32-bit devices. So if you're facing this error, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your control panel at first. After opening your control panel, you need to go with Network and Sharing Center. First, make sure that you have large icons and then go with Network and Sharing Center. After opening, you need to go with your Wi-Fi and select Properties. After selecting Properties, go with Internet Protocol version 4. Go with Properties again, and from here you can select Obtain an IP address automatically. And on the bottom, you can just simply choose the following DNS server address, which is 8888. And on the bottom, which is alternative, here you need to go with 8844 and go with OK and then enter. After that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to open up your command prompt, right click on it, go with Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and here you need to enter some commands. So the commands will be in the description below. So you need to paste the first command and then hit the enter, and again copy the next one, paste it, hit the enter, and wait for a few minutes to load. So once you've pasted, you can hit the enter. After that, paste the second one and again hit the enter. In the same way, you need to go with all of the other commands, and after that you need to restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you can just simply search for Roblox, and from here you'll have the uninstall option. Just go and uninstall, and once you uninstall it, you can again go with your Microsoft Store and you can again install the Roblox application, and it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go with your Roblox website. And from your Roblox website, make sure that you have logged in. Now you need to right click on any space and then go with inspect. Once you go with inspect, here you will have the application session. So you just need to simply search for the application, which is right here. Click on application, and here on the left side, you need to go with the storage. And under storage, you will have clear site data. Once you go with clear site data, then it will remove all of the site data, and after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you need to open up your default browser, go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with privacy and security, and here you need to go with delete browsing data, and then go with the advanced section and go with time range and select last 24 hours, or you can also select last 7 days and go with delete data. And after deleting, you can restart and your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.